What will you cook with your Power Pressure Cooker XL?
Shrimp gumbo. One touch easy and mouth-watering delicious.
Add the ingredients to the pressure cooker, and my secret chili sizzling in a few minutes.
I add the macaroni, cheese, and cream. One pot, one touch. Perfect kid-pleasing macaroni and cheese.
Thanks, Dad.
6 minutes in the Power Pressure Cooker and my hard-boiled eggs peeled perfectly.
Ribs, water, sauce, and my ribs fall off the bone.
With the Power Pressure Cooker XL, you can create one-pot meals in minutes, 70% faster. What will you cook next?
Presto Pressure Canner, a safe and economical way to preserve produce, meat, and fish. With limited freezer space, a bountiful harvest can be a challenge. Preserve all that garden goodness with a Presto Pressure Canner, meat and fish too. The 80-page recipe and instruction book guides you step by step. Constructed of heavy-gauge aluminum, the canner is made to last. Works on electric, gas, and even smooth-top ranges. Pressure canning is the only method recommended safe by the USDA for canning low-acid foods like vegetables, meats, poultry, and seafood. The Presto Pressure Canner doubles as a boiling water canner for fruits, jams, jellies, pickles, and salsa. Use it as a giant pressure cooker too. The canner is covered by a 12-year limited warranty and is easy to use. Position the canning rack in the canner, add water, and place your prepared jars of food on the rack. Line up the arrows and the cover twists on. Turn on the burner, let the canner vent for a few minutes, and place the regulator on the vent pipe. Allow the pressure gauge to rise to the pressure that's indicated in the recipe and process for the specified time. Designed for easy, confident home pressure canning, it's the smart choice for food preservation. The Presto Pressure Canner. Available in 16 and 23 quart models.
If you enjoy the taste of a healthy home-cooked meal, the Crock-Pot Express Crock Multi-Cooker gives you the convenience of cooking fast when you need to, or slow when you have the time. It's up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods and provides you the flexibility to cook in many different ways. The pressure cooking functions will allow you to prepare healthy, home-cooked meals for your family in less than an hour. The Express Crock makes it even easier with 8 one-touch meal settings: meat stew, poultry, beans chili, rice risotto, soup, dessert, multigrain, or yogurt. The Express Crock also allows you to slow cook so you come home to a hot, flavorful meal. You can brown sauté to seal in juices and flavor, use the steam function for easy preparation of fresh and nutritious veggies or fish. The Express Crock comes with a steaming rack plus a handy serving spoon. For healthy, home-cooked meals fast or slow, the Crock-Pot Express Crock Multi-Cooker.
Do you want to know what my favorite thing is? Yeah! The MultiPot. The only cooker you'll ever need. MultiPot does it all. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice, sauté, even yogurt and cake.
There's cake?
So how does it work? Magic. Actually, it's science. The MultiPot seals in and regulates steam, which creates a higher internal pressure, and that added pressure cooks food better and faster than anything else out there. How easy is it? That's tonight's dinner, salsa chicken, ready in 30. For dessert, how about an award-winning cheesecake? Ready in 30. Meal prep for the week? Ready in 10. The MultiPot is like a slow cooker, but instead of being slow, it's fast. Barbecue chicken used to take 6 hours. In the MultiPot, it only takes 20 minutes. It has 9 safety mechanisms and 14 cooking programs, so I don't have to worry about it. And the Mealthy app offers easy-to-follow videos and tons of recipes that even my kids will eat. Mealthy gives you step-by-step, get-started videos. You'll also love that it comes with silicone mitts, an extra gasket, and a steamer basket, free.
It's so easy, I taught the 12-year-old how to use it.
And I taught the dog how to use it.
There's so much in your life that's out of your control. Give yourself the gift of simple, healthy meals with the MultiPot. Get yours and try it out risk-free at Amazon.com. Oh, babe.
I'm coming home.